Hi everyone, good evening. My name is Sara Maria Vélez Berbel. I am a student at CONAT University. This is a assignment for the subject Technology in Teaching English as a Foreign Language. Our tutor is Edith Grande. This work corresponds to the analysis of the Unit 2 is how to improve writing skills through the use of ICT. Uh, the use of ICT takes us to use mobile devices like computers, tablets, smartphones, laptops. Okay, these devices are used to improve writing skills between students. Okay, one of the most popular activities for young people is gaming. Okay, in this case, we use a very important platform for games that are Facebook games. We have the Mafia World. In these games, there is a very good ingredient that produce engagement. The engagement means players join together to work as a team. Also involves problem solving through questioning and uh, impulse on both the collaboration. Another game very popular is Fortnite. This tool could be used for improved writing in the class. Another very important thing to talk here are another important tool is the microblog. Microblogs are blogs that let in instant messagery. This blog could be in Share, Twitter, and in mobile. Here you can upload some very interesting activities and instant message to your students to be in touch with you. Microbloggings need some support like connecting, brainstorming because you need to put new items with good ideas. Exploring led you to explore other works, define what you want to do, and organize the material. And also you can get research and use these microblogs to get in data, and you need to cite the authors of you are using in your work. Another very important tool are the podcasts. The podcasts could be audio or files. They keep students motivated in the class or doing the homework. Uh, Using mobile devices in class helps to keep the attention of the students and they keep motivated all the time. When you are going to use these tools, you can or you need to work with functional system linguistic. That is, you need to take account of social and cultural background to create your tools and to make students work on writing skills. And also, you need to be dynamic and show internal uses. In this case, you are using journey pedagogical approach, GPA. Working with writing skills are not easy, and students are little motivated working on this. So in this case, you need to support the learners in improving writing skills, making some different things they get motivated to work in this. And using these tools are very nice for young people. They always want to be working with this. Is necessary easy connection to wireless networks. Okay, bye bye. See you next time.